Hola amigos, this is Somvir and welcome to Learning Boards. We will be using task scheduler from Windows that will automatically schedule it for the time requirements and it will run in the background. So let's directly see how it works. Our problem statement for this video will be, we have created scripts in Python that works on automation, but we are not aware how to schedule them. If we want to run them every hour, every day or every 4 hours, so we have no way to schedule them. Today we will be discussing ways to schedule it. First of all, let's have a look at our example file. Hello internet, I am automatically activated. This is just for demo purpose. I have this saved at documents automation task autorunner.py. So let's see how we can schedule it. For that we need to search task scheduler. The task scheduler will look something like this. Here we have to create a task. We can give it any name. Let's give it auto scheduler. Then we go to actions, add new. In the script directory we have to input the exe file or the executable file of Python, and we can get this by two ways. If we open our command prompt, first thing we can do, and the simple thing will be where Python, it will give us two paths. So first one will be the path that will be required in our task. We can also confirm this by using another call, python-c import system print system.executable. It will print out the path of the python.exe. If we run this, we will get the same which was written by where Python command. So let's copy this. Let's paste this here. So in these optional arguments we have to put our py file and the location. So our argument will be the .py file we want to add, and in our case it is autorunner.py, and the start-in will be the directory of this autorunner.py file, which can be taken from the explorer, as I have in documents automation task. So this is my start-in option. Let's apply it. Go to triggers, add new. So on this page we can schedule our task if we want it to run daily, weekly, monthly, or even we can repeat it every 1 hour or the required time, 5 minutes, 10 minutes. So I'll just do it daily, every 1 day, and click OK. So that's all in the creating task. We can click OK. So here if we go to the task scheduler library, we can see we have all the background processes that are required in our Windows. So let's search for our task auto scheduler. This is our task. If we right click it and run it, sorry guys, I had to stop in between, as it turns out that the print statement that we gave in our program appears for less than a second and then disappears. So I added time function which will delay it for 10 seconds. So if we again run our task, we can see hello internet, I am automatically activated. It will wait for 10 seconds as per the program, and then it will turn off. So it is scheduled, and we can schedule it every time we want and any duration. So I just used it for a one line of code, but it can prepare or run anything that has Python script in it. So we have done some previous projects like file automation and getting the stocks online. So I have automated them using the task scheduler only, and these are the same process I have gone through. So this was pretty much all about the task automation using the task scheduler, and as I have informed you, we can use it for pretty much everything and any Python script. So that was the video guys. I hope it was informational and we get to learn something from it. Let me know in the comment section if there is any improvement or are there any other ways of doing it. There are much more Python automation videos and other Python programs coming up in the near future. So don't forget to follow me, to support me, and also to catch up the videos. This is Somvir taking your leave. We will meet in the next video. Until then, adios.